Uh, Hi Adil, how are you? This is a file there. To the file you'll have the exe file. You'll go to the exe, double click. Now I have cleared all data to start from 0. Choose first, you will choose the camera. Second, 1 millimeter. Make sure this is 29 as usual. Now I'm gonna go for the markers. Now assumely that marker 1 is 1 as you said. So here it is. This is 1. I'm gonna click on it. And marker 3, this one is number 2, so we're just gonna give it a click. And marker 5, which is marker number 3. Next, marker number 3. Okay, now I'm gonna start the camera. Now every time you have to change this and this, like in this order: 1, 2, 3, 4. And you don't start the camera until you have this one set right, even if you have those ones set before. I'm gonna tell him to start showing me the camera. Now the camera have moved, I don't know, the seat has moved. And this is a cable. Okay, now let's say that's my probe, assumedly, so I'm gonna press on number 1 and number 1. Let's go to markers number 5 and 3 and 4 and 5 first. Okay, so we're just gonna put the cam markers first. We're just gonna start by 3. This is 1. No, I just made a mistake. This is 2, sorry. I'm gonna reassign it. Yeah, this is number 2. Now I'm gonna decrease the size of the probe to maybe 5 or 3. I don't want it to. Okay, and the distance between two cameras 9.5. I just pressed down here by mistake. Okay, now I'm gonna go to marker 3. One click only. Marker 3. Marker 3. Next, marker 4. Marker 4. Next, marker 5. Marker 5. Alright, now let's see. Now here is my experiment settings. It tells me that the distance between marker 1 and 2 is 4.5 from the CT. And the distance measured on the cam, this is the distance. See the difference? It's like about 0.5 centimeters mistake. Here 0.3, here 0.5, here is 0.1. This is very much acceptable. So marker 1 needs to move a little bit far to, closer to marker 2 and closer to marker 3. So 1 needs to move far from marker 2 and far from marker 3. So we're just going to move it a little bit farther like this. Yeah, 4.5, 4.4. That's quite acceptable. Okay, now I'm gonna make the probe interfere with one of the probes, come near to one of the markers. So I'm gonna increase the distance to maybe 8 centimeters. That is quite a bit long. 7 centimeters, maybe 7.5. I want it to be now here, yeah. Marker 1 just maybe got it a little bit, but maybe it needs to move a little bit like closer to it like this. A little bit in tweering. Now because we are working with the millimeters, so we kind of have to be a little bit accurate, you know, very accurate. 8.1. Yep, that's it. We have it accurate. Marker number 2, 0 being as number 2 as expected. Now, I'm gonna move a little bit more to point towards marker number 1. So I'm gonna move my board slowly until it reverts to pointing toward number 1. Now number 1 is the blue marker, so I'm gonna increase the distance a little bit more. 9 maybe. 9.1, 0.2, 0.3, yep, 0.4, 0.5, yep, 0.3. Yep, now we're getting here, yeah, it seems like it. Exactly number 1. Now I think marker number 3 is probably gonna give me the same results. Now this experiment is quite hard to set because actually the size of my marker is like 1 centimeter in width and diameter, while the distance is maybe sometimes 3 centimeters, so it's kind of hard to set the distance right. So always can try to have a larger distance between the markers with relevance to the probe. Now let's see. I just want to show you how small a marker can be. So I'm gonna go for something very small. I'm gonna carry a little piece of paper here, which is really small, like small as I can cut. That's it. Very small piece of paper, and I'm just gonna press on it. Well, it's the same color as the background, so it's kinda hard to get. But it's actually getting it. See? Even if the background, even if it's small and the background is the same color, it's getting it. Here, I hope we have the same too. We're able to click here too. It's just I'm having to actually smaller than actually I can point it. I'm trying to choose one. Can point. Okay, I'm just gonna try to use another maybe lighter color because the background is actually the same color. I'm gonna make it a little bit green, and it's gonna be same as this one, but something I could see actually. It's the same size here. Now let's see, I'm gonna press on here. Now see, despite the noise here and the noise up here, and it's a very small marker, it still has locked on it. Same is gonna happen up here, I believe. Yep. It doesn't matter. We have another green marker, but it doesn't matter. Now actually we have lost the distances here because we have actually destroyed like marker 5. We have moved its place. It should be here. I'm just trying to show you how this. Yeah, it's back into normal. Thank you.